How to fix TikTok likes not showing on your profile on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make your liked videos visible on your profile. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three lines at the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Privacy to open the privacy settings. At this point, scroll down and find the Liked Videos option and tap on it. In the next step, make sure it is not set to Only Me. Change it to Everyone or Friends so others can see your liked videos on your profile. Following this, go back to your profile and check if the Likes tab is now visible and showing properly. Once done, if it's still not showing, go back to your home screen and long press on the TikTok icon and tap App Info. From here, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to clear out any corrupted data that may be causing the issue. At this stage, open the Play Store and search for TikTok to check if an update is available, and tap Update if one is showing. Finally, press and hold the Power button until the Power menu appears, and tap Restart to reboot your device and check if the likes are now showing properly on your profile and your profile. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix TikTok likes not showing on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.